Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin chart in the daily. Then we're going to go to the 4 hours. Then we analyze for you the Bitcoin, what it's doing in the 4 hours. Then after that, for scalpers and day trader, we're going to go to 30 minutes. Plus, we're going to analyze for you some on-chain. The first one is that one stock flow. Second one, that one MVRV. Plus that one his name Bitcoin investors tool. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't skip any part. And if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? So let's start our lesson of today, guys. So as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, it's finished here. That one here. So we don't got nothing new here. Just we stay sideways. And that was me. I told you we're going to stay sideways here. The market will not move nowhere. And even when I show you in the last video of the Friday video, I show you the option strikes where they are, the puts and the calls, majority of them, they are here in that 2 levels. In the top, is it at 17,500 and down is it at 16,500. So the Bitcoin, for the view of big whales, is going to stay sideways here all the next week. So till after the Christmas, we are going to stay sideways here. So there is nothing new, guys. And also here in the daily, what also we said before, we said like that and like that. That's what also we said. We said we got that inside bar here, that one here, and that one of FTX collapse. Till now, there is no candle breaking up and no candle breaking down here in the daily. So also we stay sideways and don't believe no one, because majority of people, they telling you it's going to break, it's going to do all that is fibs, guys. The Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here all the next week. Remember that. And after the next week, we're going to tell you exactly where is the Bitcoin is going to go. But it's up to you, depending who you watching and who you follow. Also, we give you very highly accurate signals and ask people, they've been with us for a long time, they're making money with us. That is up to you, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to analyze for you a little bit of on-chain, guys. So the first one, guys, here is that one, the stock flow or stock to flow. That one here is very important tool for investors. As you see those lines here, all those lines here, they are representing the halving cycle. When it's going to happen, the next halving cycle is going to happen in 2024. And as you see it, the entering the halving cycle is being always before 1 year. It's happening as you see it here. And the color, when it changes like that, a little bit dark blue here, like here, that's the right time for you to start entering, guys. And that's what it's showing here. I'm talking here about long-term investors, guys. So if you are a long-term investors, just they say and forget about everything. Majority of those people, they never ever open an order by $1. And believe me when I tell you that, majority of those people, they just earning money by affiliation. And they putting down blanks to the brokers. That the only things they're earning money. I'm talking general. I'm not talking about specify about someone or something like that. So as you see here, I'll tell it to you guys. Look at the color, how it changing now. It's the same how it's happened here. It's the same how it's happened here. So make sure to be inside the market before it's too late, guys. That's the first on-chain data we got. Second on-chain data we got is that one, guys. That one, his name MVRV. That one, when it's enter here to that place here, at the right time for you to buy. As you see it, all that times here, when it's enter here is the right time. So as you see, guys, here, look at it with stock to flow, and look here, down, it's enter there. So it's the right time for you to start this, guys. Don't follow majority of the people, because some people, they're telling you the bottom is going to be at 10k, 12k, blah blah. You started this from now. Forget about all that. Maybe it will never go to that 12k, or maybe it will go to it, because no one know exactly, guys. No one know exactly where is the bottom. That's the first advice to you, and put it at your brain. Never forget about it. The third on-chain data we got, let's go into it. Is it that one, guys? And that one, as you see it, every time when we're breaking down the green one, it's the right time for us to start buying. Me, I'm talking here about long-term investors, as you see it, here, and now also we are down the net again. So it's the right time for you to start buying, guys. That's what we have been telling you, is the right time for you to start buying. Remember that, it's the right time for you to start buying. I'll show you in the weekly, we got a divergence, I'll show you all those things. So buying now and be patient, and passion is always rewarding the person. So be patient, and I started this now. That for long-term trading, guys. Now it's going back to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, some people, they make it like that. They said here we got a diamond like that. Yes, you can make a diamond here like that. And that one is a very bullish signal. If it's breaking up here, it's going to go up. But that one is just a technical analysis. And me, I show you here, we got a head and shoulder like that. As you see it, it's very clear and more clear than the diamond. Here, the neckline is here. If it came and breaking upward here, we will close in that short position. Also enter from here and we will open a buy order, guys. Remember that if it came and breaking here the neckline, we will enter long again. Why me I don't put in that diamond? Because that diamond is going to be broken here just by the noise of the market, guys. As you see, that the diamond them they talking about, and that one is going to be broken here just by the noise of the market. Saturday and Sunday is going to be broken. That's why me I put it like that. I put the neckline here, and I told you if it's breaking here, that's another story. It will not go that much, just to here where it used to be, here maybe. Then after that you're going to see it stay sideways here. Also we are in a very sideways market, guys. There is no big volume, and the people they been with us also we enter short from here. For the just the people they just came now, also we enter short from here. Over here we take some profit, over here we take more profit. So also we are in a risk free. For long, also we enter from that candle here, that one here, as you see it. It came here, we protect ourselves. Here, I told you, take some of the profit. It's breaking here, we close everything. So like that's how we trade. And now, same thing, we enter short from here. Over here, we protect ourselves and we take more profit. Now, if it's breaking here, the neckline here, we are going to close everything and we are going to open a long order, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, I tell you here, we are here at sideways market, and that's what it's showing here. It's showing us we are in a very sideways market and no one is winning now. That's the good news. No one is winning. Both of them, they are equal, and I tell you it's going to stay like that till after the new year. That, man, we are going to enter to 2023 and we are sideways like that. And that's something very good. So if you are a long-term investor, start this, forget about all that. If you are a day trader and scalper, don't enter those days because there is no big volume. A majority of the people, they are in holidays, guys. So make a close eye on those things, me, I'm telling you. It's our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we enter short. We used to be here at the overbought area. Came down here to the overbought area. We started protecting ourselves. We're taking some profit. Now what should we do? As I showed you before, we got here that head and shoulder here. As I told you, some people, they saying we got here a diamond, but me, I'm looking at the head and shoulder more better. If it came and breaking here, the neckline here, we are going to enter long again, and it will not move that much, just to here, as I tell you, just to that level here. So if you are more conservative, don't open an order those days. Stay away from the market because the market, it look like we are going to stay sideways here. We are not going to move nowhere. And I show you even here that channel like that. I show it to you before. I told you even that one is a very powerful pattern. Maybe from here we are going to go up or till here, but till now also we're still waiting. And for long term, I told you like that, we got here that level. If we came back and we break it inside here, 100% that one is the bottom, guys. But let's wait and what's going to market bring for us. Till now there is nothing confirmed. It might from here we are going to break the lower here and we're going to go to that 10k majority of the people they dreaming of. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Look at the diamond here, how clear it is here in 30 minutes. You see it? But also we don't looking at that one. Also we be looking here at the down channel here. that one here. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. Till now we're still holding a long position here at 30 minutes. If it go more higher, we're going to take more profit, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here. That the second time we are here at the overbought area. So if it go more up here, maybe to here, take some of the profit. I told you to take some of the profit here. Now if it go up, take more profit. You are in a right moment and you need to make a close eye if it's going to break down or no. Because till now, if you look in here, what you got here, you can make like that and like that. You got here a triangle like that. If it came and breaking down here, you need to enter short, my friend. Remember that if it's breaking here, that uptrend here, look at it, how I'm going to draw it. You came to that one and that one, and you're connecting those dots together. You do it like that by a line. If it's breaking down here, you enter short, my friend, and you close all the long positions you have here as a scalper and day trader. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video. See you after European market close or the time of European market close. Bye for now, guys.